So we're back, and as promised, I said I was going to run this thing to ground. We've been talking about why Decentraland could be the most explosive cryptocurrency of 2022, and it's because if they successfully integrate VR into the Decentraland baseline, and you can have a fully immersive virtual reality experience, is just no way that people will ever get enough of it. Right now, as you know, because you're a subscriber to this channel, you have looked at these videos and you've seen what I'm about to show you, and I'm going to build on it. Users of Decentraland can create an avatar, explore, participate in numerous free games. They socialize and have an option to participate in an economy using mana. Using mana, users can purchase parcels of land, gamble, play games, using cryptocurrency, purchase items, NFTs, and the like. So the whole idea here is that Decentraland currently is a very, very entertaining place to visit, but it is not a fully immersive VR experience. And what we wanted to do is find out if it was. And we have some evidence here on Reddit that there are efforts underway, particularly at XR Dev Studio, that they are trying to work towards a VR experience. If you do a little more digging, as I promised I would do, you find out that XR Dev is a very qualified VR studio, and they might actually be able to pull this off. They've got a number of projects where they have actually done both VR and AR work. You can go to their site at xrdevstudio.com. If we continue doing a little bit more research, what you'll also find is on the governance.decentraland.org URL, you'll see that there is a proposal to update the existing VR and AR experience that is provided via something they call Builder to support Decentraland. This is evidence that not only are they talking about it, they have actually kicked off the process and are going to do it. This proposal comes from the developers of Builder, spelled BYLDR. You can check them out at builder.app. And they're requesting a grant here for about $250,000 over the next 6 months. By the way, this, if you look at this, you'll see, I believe this was let out in December. Details created started December 15th. So I would think that that's December 15th, 2021. If you look at this proposal, they're saying they want to upgrade Builder to create VR and AR experiences. They started talking about the realization of Decentraland having this kind of capability with VR and AR headsets. It's critical to this project's success. By the way, take a look at the fact that they're also talking about Decentraland using Quest 2 and HoloLens. That's right. If this goes through and Mr. Zuckerberg doesn't stop it from happening, if he gets behind it as well, can you imagine putting on your Oculus Quest and going to Decentraland? This is evidence that that is what they're trying to go towards. If we go down a little bit further, you look at the Builders development team proposal. They have two things that they're looking at doing. Allow experiences and scenes created by Builder to be exported to Decentraland. And look at the second one. Allow users to experience Decentraland using VR and AR headsets. They want to be able to build scenes using Builder and export it to Decentraland, and they want people to be able to put on a headset and have that immersive experience. If you go down, they continue to thank the community, and they list their team, and look at who they're working with, okay? I want to go through this and get right to the meat of the matter. There, let's keep going. That is what I'm looking at. XR Dev Studio Builders Development Partner. Okay, so as before, we had a Reddit we had a Reddit link in talking about building towards a VR environment for Decentraland. And now we've got folks over here at Builder who are working with them to create the tools that would allow the users or the people who play in Decentraland to create these kind of 3D objects and experiences for people to enjoy. This is all I think we need to realize that it's just a matter of time. There will be an immersive VR experience for Decentraland. If it doesn't happen in 2022, I just don't see how it doesn't happen by 2023. They've already got, if you look inside of this, you can also see that they've even, if we do a little read more here and scroll down, you'll find towards the end that they've even got a video down here, a brief update on the progress so far. Our team is deep in preparing Builder for Decentraland support. Some preliminary VR Explorer work has also been in testing. Feel free to sit through this short video clip, VR Decentraland early test. I haven't clicked on this, let's check it out. Oh, there's the hands. There's the hands. Wow. Folks, if you hadn't seen it, you're seeing it on Crypto Big Boss for the first time. The potential for a fully immersive VR experience is underway for Decentraland. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.